In this lesson, we explore the meaning and classroom application of multiple intelligences. Gardner has identified 8 different intelligences. He has developed a psychological theory of the mind that is called multiple intelligences. He makes 2 claims. He claims that all human beings have all these intelligences. He also claims that no 2 people have exactly the same profile of intelligences because their experiences are different. Most intelligence tests only look at language, logic, or both. The other 6 are musical, spatial, bodily-kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalist. Let's look at each closely. Verbal-Linguistic Intelligence. Now, verbal-linguistic students love words and use them as a primary way of thinking and solving problems. They are good writers, speakers, or both. They use words to persuade, argue, entertain, and/or to teach. Some learning activities and project ideas would be completing crossword puzzles with vocabulary words, playing games like Scrabble, Scrabble Junior, or Boggle, writing short stories for a classroom newsletter. Find more activities in your reading section. Logical mathematical intelligence, or Math Smart. Students enjoy working with numbers. They can easily interpret data and analyze abstract patterns. They have a well-developed ability to reason and are good at chess and computer programming. They think in terms of cause and effect. Now, learning activities and project ideas would be playing math games like dominoes, chess, checkers, and Monopoly, or searching for patterns in the classroom, school, outdoors, and at home, or conducting experiments to demonstrate science concepts. Again, you'll find more activities in your reading section. Spatial intelligence, or picture smart. Such students are strong in spatial intelligence. They think and they process information in pictures and images. They have excellent visual receptive skills and excellent fine motor skills. Students with this intelligence use their eyes and hands to make artistic or creatively designed projects. They can build with Legos, read maps, and put together a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. Now, the learning activities and project ideas would be taking photographs for assignments and classroom newsletters, using clay or Play-Doh to make objects or represent concepts from content area lessons, using pictorial modules such as flowcharts, visual maps, Venn diagrams, and timelines to connect new material to known information, using puppets to act out and reinforce concepts learned in class. Again, find more activities in your reading section. Musical intelligence, or music smart. Musical students think, feel, and process information primarily through sound. They have a superior ability to perceive, compose, and/or perform music. Musically smart people constantly hear musical notes in their head. Learning activities and project ideas would be writing their own songs and music about content area topics, using rhythm and clapping to memorize math facts and other content area information, listening to CDs that teach concepts like the alphabet, parts of speech, and states and capitals. Find more activities in your reading section. Bodily-Kinaesthetic, or body smart. Bodily-kinesthetic students are highly aware of the world through touch and movement. There's a special harmony between their bodies and their minds. They can control their bodies with grace, expertise, and athleticism. Learning activities and project ideas. Creating costumes for role-playing, skits or simulations. Playing games like Twister and Simon Says. Building objects using blocks, cubes, or Legos to represent concepts from content area lessons. Using electronic motion simulation games and hands-on construction kits that interface with computers. Find more activities in your reading section. Interpersonal or people smart. Students strong in interpersonal intelligences have a natural ability to interact with, relate to, and get along with others effectively. They are good leaders. They use their insights about others to negotiate, persuade, and obtain information. They like to interact with others and usually have lots of friends. Learning activities and project ideas would be working in cooperative groups to design and complete projects, working in pairs to learn maths facts, interviewing people with knowledge about content area topics such as a policeman to learn about safety and security, a dietitian to learn about nutrition, or an author to understand or motivate the writing process. Again, find more activities in your reading section. Intrapersonal intelligence or self-smart. People with a strong interpersonal intelligence have a deep awareness of their feelings, ideas, and goals. Students with this intelligence usually need time alone to process and create. Learning activities and project ideas may include using software that allows them to work alone, keeping journals or logs throughout the year, making a scrapbook for their poems, papers, and reflections. Again, in your reading section, you will find more activities. Naturalistic intelligence or nature smart. This intelligence refers to a person's natural interest in the environment. These people enjoy being in nature and want to protect it from pollution. Students with strong naturalistic intelligence easily recognize and categorize plants, animals, and rocks. Activities can include caring for classroom plants or classroom pets, observing natural surroundings, organizing or participating in park or playground cleanups, recycling drives, and beatification projects. Activities can include caring for classroom plants or classroom pets, observing natural surroundings, organizing or participating in park or playground cleanups, recycling drives, and beautification projects. When you think about your own learning experiences, you will know that you are smarter in some intelligences and less smart in others. For your practice activity, compile your own profile by reflecting on your own kind of smart. Use this rating scale to evaluate how smart you are in each intelligence. This reflective activity simply gives you a sense of your own profile. If you want to compile a detailed profile, there are various multiple intelligence tests online.